Okay, now to set up the voice. Make it slow, make it easy, make it just perfect. Oh wow, that's quite the zoom in. I think I'm a little queasy now. Okay, nice. We've got the logo. Good, that means I can formally start the show. Welcome to the Mindless Show's satire on David Attenborough documentary. Wait, am I meant to be saying that? I don't think I am. What's in the script? Okay, I'll go along with it. Well, I should probably get on with talking about the images on screen. Here we see the mighty pigeon. I'm sorry. How serious are we meant to be here? We're looking at pigeons, for crying out loud. Who took this footage? They're just on an oval. Is there anything else interesting, like at a beach or something? The wild pigeon, a bird of tremendous power, with wings that can obliterate a 5-story building if it were made from paper mache. Also, if the pigeons were combined like a transformer and, could blow down in one fell swoop, because pigeons don't actually have very strong wings. It's just enough to fly, the pigeons. It's not a pterodactyl or anything. Anyway, pigeons and doves constitute the animal family Columbidae and the order Columbiformes, I fucking hope I'm saying that right, which includes about 42 genera and 310 species. I got that information from Wikipedia. It is quite a good resource. I suggest you check it out. There are so many pigeons in the world, specifically the feral pigeon, that they are considered to be of the least concern on the conservation status. This means that if you actually drive a car or a bike, for example, whether it be just a pedal bike or an actual motorbike, maybe even a lawnmower or something, then please feel free to just run them over, be of service to society, and get rid of this vermin. Please help us out for a good cause. Trained domestic pigeons are able to return to their home loft if released at a location that they have never visited before, or that may be up to 1,000 kilometers away. I don't really understand how or why. It's kind of like a magical property. They just know where their location is. As if they had a compass inside their brain that just told them that way. 1,000 kilometers that way. I don't know where these pigeons live. I guess on the zoo. Anyway. A special breed called homing pigeons has been developed through selective breeding to carry messages and members of this variety of pigeon. Wait, what? They really need to put in grammatical checks into this text. I got it from the internet. You think it would have been properly spelt out. Let's start this again. A special breed called homing pigeons has been developed through selective breeding to carry messages. And members of this variety of pigeon are still being used in the sport of pigeon racing and the white release dove ceremony at weddings and funerals. Usually these end with pellets from a shotgun or hunting rifle, striking these birds down because they are pests and should only be used in special occasions. No, we don't have footage of this either. Just, It's just pigeons on a football field. Yes, I regret to inform the viewer that this appears to be quite a lazily put together documentary on pigeons, the most interesting of birds. You know, while we're off topic, people often ask me why birds fly, and people cannot. Now, of course, I don't know why they ask me this. Maybe the soothing voice makes them think that I know everything is true and, what I say is a fact. Sometimes what I say is a lie, but how will they know? They're idiots. So, as I say to them, this is due to birds, or aves, if we want to look like bird nerds. Seriously, who the hell wrote the script? Having something that we videographers call camerons. Camerons are a nickname derived from the popular filmmaker James Cameron, who, in his 1991 film Terminator 2 Judgment Day, filmed a stunt where a helicopter flew underneath a bridge on a highway. In other words, James Cameron has balls. These balls relate to flying. Birds have balls because they can fly. Humans cannot fly and hence have no balls. Hence the term camerons, and hence answering the age-old question of why birds fly. Thanks for watching.